Hi friends, today we're drawing the cutest bunny ice cream cone ever. Let's draw. So we're gonna draw this hot dog shape. You can get free coloring pages in my description. Awesome, good job. Now that we have that hot dog shape, now we're gonna draw the cone. So you have our two lines down. And then we're going to try to match the same curve as the hot dog. I think our little bunny was concerned. He wasn't sure if he was a hot dog or if he was a cute little bunny ice cream cone. He's looking over at us. Relax, hey, you're not a hot dog. We're just going to draw the ice cream cone, guy. So you can see you have this little triangle shape, and I'm going to round the base of that little triangle there, the point. All right, look at our next shape. You see this circle for the head? This is going to be our big scoop of ice cream that's going on top. Wow, that's a big scoop of ice cream. I think this bunny is 99% ice cream and 1% ears. Do you think our bunny knows it's made of ice cream? I think it's just happy chilling. So we have this oval shape now for the ears. So when we first learn how to draw, we like to draw using basic shapes. Building our drawing with shapes. We have another oval shape for the inside part of the ear. And we're going to now do the same thing on the other side. So once again, we're going to draw this oval shape. This oval is more of a cucumber shape. Sometimes ovals can be watermelon, cucumber, or even egg shaped. So this one's more of a cucumber shaped. Good job, guys. All right, it's time to draw our bunny's face. Let's give it some big cute eyes. So you see our circle, and inside we're gonna have a white dot. That's gonna be the highlight. Little white dot. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So I want you to... Oh no! Our bunny just put on springy eyeglasses. Those eyes are bouncing up and down like crazy. Well, let's carefully draw his eyes before he bounces off the page. Draw a little nose. And now we're going to have a line that curves down on the right. And then we're going to have another line that curves down on the left-hand side. Good job, guys. What? Well, now this bunny just put on a big pink mustache. This bunny just went full fancy mode on us. All right, Sir Bunny, let's finish your mustache masterpiece before you start asking for a cup of tea. Oh. Sprinkles. So you can see we have 3, 4 diagonal lines. And now we're going to go the other direction for the waffle cone. Here's 1. Let's count them. What does this make, guys? Yeah, 2, 3, and 4. Good job, guys! You just drew your cute bunny ice cream cone. Hey, check out the playlist for more Let's Draw videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.